In this quick video, I'm gonna show you how to open demo account in MetaTrader 5 on laptop. So first of all, make sure that MetaTrader 5 is installed on your laptop. And if you wanna install it, just open any browser on your laptop. Then search here MetaTrader 5 like so. Then go to their official website. And from here, download the MetaTrader 5 on your laptop. And then the downloading will begin. Then we just need to double tap on this setup file and follow the process to install this software on your laptop. Once you install the software, open the software on your laptop, and on this software we need to go to the top left corner, then click on file. Under it we need to click on open an account, and on this window select the broker you want to create a demo account with. So I want to create a demo account with MetaCourse. I need to select it, then click on next, and on this window select open a demo account to trade virtual money without risk. And once you select it, then click on next again, and on this window we need to fill up everything related to us, such as first name, second name, choose your date of birth, email address, mobile number. So all of these things are necessary. And then you can also choose the server, choose the account type, and enter the deposit amount you want to use as your virtual money. So these values will be in USD, so enter that according to you. Choose the leverage you want to go for and accept these conditions, and then tap on next, and your demo account will be created and you can learn without risk. So this is the complete process. Now if it was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.